Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What is going on? What is going on here? Sensei sent me. Sensei sent me. What's all this about here? All right, I get it. I get it. I had some fun in your channel and you thought, bugger it, I can do the same thing. Well, yeah, it looks like you can, right? Well, next time, it'll be even worse for you, Sensei. You shouldn't start something you cannot finish, my friend. I've been doing this since I was 4 years of age. So on the next stream, get ready. It's going to be even worse. Sensei sent me indeed. You wait until I send you the other way around. Oh, my God. All right. Welcome, everybody. Good afternoon. What a day. What a day for America today. America's got a new trade deal with the United Kingdom and a pope all in one day. Markets exploding, but be careful. Don't buy the rally. Donald Trump's coming out and telling you this. Wall Street soars as Trump says, go out and buy stock now. He did say that. He did certainly say that, but we've seen what happens when that happens. It rallies and then dumps again. Now, that's okay because the fundamentals are solid. We're very, very excited. Everything is looking really good. Rates are going to come down. Who the hell cares now when they come down? It just you know they're coming down. And all it's going to do is encourage more MMA, mergers and acquisitions. It's going to encourage more IPOs. It's going to encourage people to buy with margin. And it's going to encourage more new businesses to borrow and invest for the future. You can't stop it now. It's a runaway train. Deals are being done, and I've got no doubt in my mind whatsoever that we'll get a deal with China. I heard Sensei mention it a few minutes ago. He's concerned about that. What if we don't? And he's right. If we don't get a deal with China, it'd be worse than waiting and building up for the potential deal, because if we don't get a deal, then it's going to be a lot worse. We're going to get a deal. And do you know why we're going to get a deal? Because China have seen what's happening today with the UK. Europe are already rolling over. It's already happening. And China need it more than the US. It's as simple as that. They have to get a deal. They're proud people, but they don't want to lose either. And we'll have a deal. I've got no doubt about it. We will have a deal. So this is the beginning of the face-ripping rally. So what did Donald Trump say? Wall Street on Thursday was off to the races after President Donald Trump exhorted traders to go out and buy stock following the announcements of a trade deal between the US and the United Kingdom, the first of its kind since Trump's imposition of sweeping reciprocal tariffs in April. The benchmark S&P 500 was last up 1.26 at 5702 points in late afternoon trade, while the tech-heavy NASDAQ composite was at 1.73. The blue chip Dow was up 1.27. We have a lot of support for that bill, the beautiful bill, the wonderful bill, the mighty bill. Sensei, did you the biggest bill ever? Did you get that message about the biggest bill ever? I sent you a text. Several of our members want a T-shirt. Biggest bill ever. So if you can get that done, biggest bill ever on a T-shirt, let me know in the chat that you're on it and you've got the message, and I'll let everyone know there's a T-shirt on the way. Biggest bill ever, with my logo on the inside of the collar to authenticate it being a genuine product. That would be absolutely great. All right then, mate. Get that done, all right? So we have lots of support for that bill. And if that happens on top of all of those trade deals that we're doing, this country will hit a point that you better go out and buy stock now. Let me tell you, this country will be like a rocket ship that goes straight up, Trump told reporters in the Oval Office, referring to the bill he hopes to pass that will deliver what he says are the largest tax cuts in history. I've no doubt about it. If you look at what he's doing, hate him, love him, whatever you like, certainly getting it done. There's no way you can say he's not getting stuff done. No doubt. Whether you love Trump or hate Trump, you cannot say his work ethic of getting stuff done doesn't eclipse anyone that's gone before him. I mean, there's no doubt about it. Trump's comments came after he announced a breakthrough trade deal with the UK. The European country's Prime Minister, Keir Starmer, joined the European countries Prime Minister, hang on, a European country, Europe. Oh, I see. Yeah, they're referring to the UK. I was thinking that's not right. Keir Starmer's not the Prime Minister of the European country. What's the European country? I get it. Trump over a phone call. Trump said the agreement will provide increased access for billions of dollars of US products, including agricultural products such as beef and ethanol. Meanwhile, Trump also said that China very much wanted to make a trade deal and that he could be open to lowering the tariff rate on the Asian nation if upcoming talks in Switzerland go well. They'll go well. I've got no doubt about it in my mind whatsoever. There's one trade deal that would make a really big difference, and that's removing the effective embargo on trade with China. Right now, there's a lot of middle school cafeteria energy, and for some reason, that's not getting it done. Justin Wolfers, professor at the University of Michigan's Economic Department, said on X, though trade dominated headlines for the day, market participants also digested further criticism from Trump of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Trade again said Powell was too late in cutting interest rates and called him a fool. The central bank on Wednesday held its key interest rate steady. I've got to be honest, the rate should come down now, even though I said it doesn't need to come down until June. It's ready. I mean, you know, it's looking like a spat now between Trump and Powell. You know, I like what Powell's been doing really overall, but I think it's time to lower the rates. I think we'll get them in June. We can't wait until July. There's no point. I mean, June's 4 weeks away. You know, it's no time at all. It'll soon come around. Anyway, it's all got a bit silly, innit? Anyway, the central bank on Wednesday held its key interest rate steady as widely expected, while also flagging a possible stagflation risk. There you go. Stagflation because high interest rates, they'll bring the rates down. I've got no doubt about it. Looking at the fixed income markets, US Treasury yields were higher as bonds were dumped. The benchmark 10-year yield was last up 8 basis points of 4.35, while the shorter end, more rate sensitive, 2-year was up 11 basis points to 3.9. There we go. There's the news today. I'll close that down and we'll keep our eye out for any extra news that comes out. Now, we are going to do a Rocket Labs earnings tonight. Straight after this, it's pinned to the top. It's in the chat. It'll automatically go there. We have got Rocket Lab earnings coming up shortly. We're going to go through and ring the bell, but I look forward to seeing Sensei's show in the morning. And think it'll be very interesting to see what happens in the morning. So, yeah, Sensei, get your show set up, mate. And if you're lucky, mate, and you'll need to be lucky, I'll send everyone to you in the morning, or I'll send them to Meet Kevin. I mean, Meet Kevin needs it more than we do. He's been stuck at 2 million now for about a year. He just can't go past 2.04 million. I love it. Anyway, we keep on going, mate. So there you go. That's Rocket Lab coming up at the end of today's show. Let me go to the comments, see who's here. What have we got? President and Smash. Sensei sent me. Yeah, I saw this. Come on, breakthrough. The S&P 500 has been, it rallied and then it's been holding some sort of resistance here for a while. Let's see if we can push through here like Sensei was talking about. And let's see my portfolio going to all-time highs. If it does go to all-time highs, I will be about 20 grand up overall. And that would be amazing because even though overall I'm still down because of the 35 grand and just about I lost with Virgin Galactic. And then we had the dump with Trump. I was down 65 grand. I bought all those dips and we're just starting now to accelerate. You know, we're on the way now. We just want another little push and all-time high. I won't be back to where I was. I'll be back to like 20 grand up from there because of the extra stock that I bought when it went down. Make sense? DJ Hayes, Sensei sent me. Kent Paranormal, Sensei sent me. Am I gonna get this now, aren't we? Jerry Mandarin, Sensei sent me. I get it. Tish Armstrong, Sensei sent me. Anybody else? Yeah, Stephen Lewandowski's let the side down. In fact, he hasn't. He's on my side. He just went, hi there. Yeah, he thought, sod this. William Myers, on the other hand, said, Sensei sent me. Sophia, how are you? Do you know, I love the fact we got so many women in the show now. It's incredible. I can't believe it. And Leah was saying to me last night, Martin, you've got so many ladies now watching the show. Incredible. It's over 13% now, which is really, really high for this style of channel. Is it 3 p.m. Eastern time? Ryan Hinckley. It's right. Here's the time. This is the live time right now. You'll be like 10 seconds out maybe if you're behind the stream. Let's go. Is XRP next? XRP, well, I mean, we could talk about it if you want. Sensei's your man though, isn't he, really? Let's be honest. XRP 225 up 3% today. I tell you what, I can show you something even more exciting than that. One of our favourite stocks. Look at this. Boom. Virgin Galactic. How about that? Do you want to know what the short interest is on Virgin Galactic still? Because we could be on the edge of a huge short squeeze. And the answer is yes. 25.58. Even more of a short interest on a 9% rally. I'd like some technicals on that, Sensei, but I would say we must be right on the cusp of an all-out explosion on a short squeeze. Let me have a look at the volume. Let me just refresh that screen a minute. And let me have a little look at the old volume. The old volume the average volume is 1.29. Today's 1.68. So the quick answer is it's not enough volume. It's not enough volume. We need more volume, more people buying, more volume, and then this will pop. It's ready to pop. 25.5% short interest. I would imagine a lot of those shorts are getting very close to their point of tipping over and having to make that decision to lose money or buy in. So I think Virgin Galactic's on the very edge now of an all-out explosion upward. That's great. And we've got the earnings around the corner. Let's see what happens tomorrow, but this could be an almighty day tomorrow. Sensei, you might want to talk about it in the show in the morning and let me know all about it. All about it. Tell me all about it in the morning. All Virgin S&P's going up again. Let's push up. Let's get through today's high, which was here. If we can push through 12 o'clock, that's when the announcement came out. If we can push past there, it's going to be a very, very exciting last half an hour into the close. I think we're going to rally into the close. That's my personal thought. Anyway, Paul McCann just became a new member. Let's go. XRP next. Hit the like button. Sensei sent me. Ha ha. I love it. Ha ha. Yeah, very bloody funny. You do realise what you've done though. 80,000 yet. 80,000 yet. 80,000 subscribers. Oh, flipping heck, very close. You want to have a look? How many views have we had today? We've had 43,000 in the last 48 hours, 1,070 in the last 60 minutes. I'm loving it. So that's pretty good. In fact, since I've come live, it's taken off again. Look, this was Sensei. This is Sensei, right? This is Sensei. This is when I went live. I mean, you know, numbers don't lie, do they? I mean, you can't, you know, I'll just rub it in. Sensei, are you watching this, mate? This is you. This is when you're on. Sensei. This is Sensei. Yeah. Oh, Martin's on. I mean, it is what it is, Sensei. You can't, you know, you can say what you want, but it is what it is. What shall we look at? Well, it is, isn't it? I can't make that up, can I? Let's have a look at the subscribers. 79,572. So the answer to your question, Stephen Lewandowski, 80,000 yet? No. I could make it up and say, yeah, but it's right there. So 79,000. So we're on the way. This is funny. Not to me, it's not, Tish Armstrong. As you can tell, I'm very, very put out. Henrik didn't join in. I was sent by Sensei. Escola do want. He says, I'm joining in. You would, wouldn't you? Sensei sent me. Stacey Bailey joined in as well. She didn't just do it once. She did it twice, 3 times. Unbelievable. Sensei said his show is better. Well, he would do. Sensei's after a pay rise. He's only been doing it for 2 weeks. He's already called me 3 times. He said, Martin, I'm doing really well this week. I said, yeah, you are. I said, can I pay rise? I said, 2 weeks, mate. 2 weeks. What are you on about? I've already got a bloody pay rise. Has anyone booked GRRR earnings? No, nobody's booked Gorilla earnings. Have we got an earnings tomorrow? Have we got an earnings tonight? Rocket Labs, Archer. We got Archer on the 12th. No, we got nothing now until the 12th. Nothing until the 12th. So if anybody wants to book an earnings, let me show you how it's done. This is the earnings over here. Boom, 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 boom. This is our earnings chart, okay? So tomorrow, you can book any one of these. You can have pre-market. Now, if you want a double earnings, we can now do it again. Yeah, we're doing double earnings again. So we can do 4 earnings a day. 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. But once we book the first one, minimum $5. The second one is $10. I thought, sod it. If I'm going to work 2.5 times as hard, I get 2.5 times the money, right? Let's be honest. Right, so if you want an earnings tomorrow morning, you got any one of these, scrolling down, after hours, you can't have after hours because it's the party, isn't it? So then we'll go on to next week. We'll go on to next week, shall we? Okay, Monday, Hertz, NRG. You can see what they are. I'm not going to read them all out. There's too bloody many, isn't there? So before the open, these are all your earnings. All right. What about after hours? There you go. Rigetti, Archer Aviation. It's already booked. It says May the 12th. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's already booked. So Archer Aviation's booked. Plug Power's not. So this is going to be bad for me, isn't it? Archer is being done by Vaz on the main show, right? On the main channel. I could be pushed to the extra channel. I've never gone live on the extra channel. That's just rude, right? I could be doing Plug Power on the extra channel. But it's gonna, if anybody wants to relegate me to the extra channel, it's going to cost you $10. All right, I ain't doing it for $5. You can forget it. There's no way I'm being demoted to my own by my own business. Right, it's going to cost you $10. I'll tell you that for nothing. What about on Tuesday? We got is that Berkshire Hathaway? Berkshire Hathaway, yeah. That's an interesting one though. The earnings is kind of weird for them. JD.com. That was rubbish. Remember that one? Intuitive Machines, you got that one. And then after hours, Oklo. There's quite a few. Then we come on to Wednesday. All right, this is Wednesday. I'm not going to read them out. You got to read them yourself. You know what you want. After hours, Cisco, Ren. There's a few there. And then on Thursday, Walmart. That's a good one. Tells you the economy. Tells you the strength of the economy. Walmart. How about that? How about it? Remember, you can do 2 at once. After hours, Applied Materials. Whatever you like. Kula, we did that once. Oh, Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic. That's on, what date's that? Is that the 15th? Yeah, that's the 15th. There you go. So there you go. There's a little bit of a taster for you. Okay. We're about to ring the bell. Sensei said his show was better. Yeah. Gorilla, no one's booked it yet. Sensei sent me Frank's47. Thanks, Frank47. Yeah, you're not the first one, mate. Habanus Papa. No idea what that means, but it sounds good. Martin, hi. Please, what will gold do? Thank you very much. Well, gold has been selling off today. Is it any surprise? Because people only buy gold. Sensei doesn't. He buys gold because he thinks it's great. I think it's rubbish. Right? But he buys it for a hedge against inflation. Yeah. And he buys it due to uncertainty. Well, you know, when the markets are going, yeah, but everything's good now. Inflation's good. Tariffs good. Let's buy stuff that makes stuff. Businesses. What do? They sell their gold to buy the good stuff. So there you go. I wouldn't be buying gold now. All-time highs with all this nonsense going on. I wouldn't be buying that now. So I wouldn't be buying gold, William. Thanks, everyone. No, not thanks, everyone, Sensei. You're a troublemaker. Sorry if I missed it. What is your take on Google move yesterday? Google Not concerned at all. Go Archer holding 1,000 shares. I want to sell at 975. Earnings next week. Yeah, we're covering it. Sensei sent me. Hello, Sandra. James 007. James, I saw you in the chat earlier. I think you were buying some mugs, and I think you said you bought 2 mugs because they're small. They're not. We've got big mugs now. We've got giant size mugs, and we've got latte mugs. So the mugs are really big. We don't have the small mugs anymore. We don't mess around, mate. Since Sensei improved the shop, I know. We've got bigger mugs, all right? Really enjoy your videos. Justin, thanks a lot, mate. I appreciate it. Loaded up on space. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Just need volume now. I tell you what, if I came in, and if I came in now and I sold my SNP and I used my 400 grand, $500,000 to buy Virgin Galactic, it would short squeeze. Guaranteed. Should I do it? Nobody likes a braggart, guys. Nobody likes a braggart. You're better than Meet Kevin. You're better than Meet Kevin. He's got a big plane, though, isn't he? He's got a big plane. I ain't got a plane. I have got a solid gold credit card, though, from Robinhood. He ain't got one of them. There's only a few of those in the world, which I used to own, but now Sensei's bought it. I'm not very happy about that. I knew I shouldn't have sold it. Big mistake. Money Making Mitch, good afternoon to you. So we got your earnings done in the end. Did you like it? We did your earnings in the end. Did you see it? Did we do it? I'm just making sure I've got all these audios working. I have. He can't stop winning. He can't stop winning. 100% fact. Who's that? Who can't stop winning? Honk Gang. Who's that then? Who can't stop winning? Solar stocks went to the sun today. Enphase up 11%. Yeah, I know. I dropped it in the chat earlier. I told you, didn't I? What I've been saying every day. Wow, look at the price of Enphase. I've been saying every flipping day recently. Look at the price of Enphase. Every single day I've been saying this. Every single day when I do my chart in the morning and I go through it all, I say, wow, what a time to buy Enphase. 12.5% today. How about it? How about it? How about it's right? Getting a bit carried away, though, because people don't know what the policy is yet with solar. But even so, I've always said if there's one going to survive, it's going to be Enphase because it's got the best balance sheet on the stock market. And there it is. James. All invite a new member. All invite a new member? That's a good idea. But you're not even a member. How can everybody invite a member? You're not even a member. What's happening, Bruce Cabides? How are you? I always plan my moves. Numbers don't lie. This is all I'm saying. Well, if you've just tuned in and you're wondering what we're going on about, numbers don't lie. Well, Sensei's right. Sensei was saying his show's the best, except this is the last, look, I'm not making this up, look, the last 60 minutes, right? This is Sensei. This is Sensei's show. This is Sensei right here. All of this is every minute, how many people tune into Sensei, right? He just said in the chat, look, he's saying it. He's admitting it. Numbers don't lie. Yeah, we're looking at Sensei. We're looking at it. And what happened here? Oh, what was that? 2:15. What happened at 2:15? Oh, I came on. Oh, look, numbers have gone up. What's going on? Numbers don't lie. Subscribe. Please don't let get to 80,000. Please subscribe. Let's go to 80,000 by Friday. That'd be good, wouldn't it? I'll tell you what, I'm looking at this. Enphase Energy, still a good buy, folks. Sensei sent me, Sandra, me and you are going to fall out if you say that again. Sensei, the charts don't lie. The charts don't lie. That's true. BTC, XRP are all up today. This is true. Men lie, women lie, but numbers, they don't lie. Oh, hello. When is GRRRRR earnings? Okay, I'll tell you when GRRRRR earnings is. GRRRRR earnings is on the, we don't know. They haven't posted it. So your answer is, we don't know. So you could say, well, I'll request it for whenever it comes up. or you can just wait and see. I mean, the choice is yours. Please subscribe to Martyn's music channel. Shall I give you the link? There we go. There's the music channel. I think Sensei deserves a bonus. What for? If he works harder, he earns more money. He doesn't need a bonus, does he? That's what going to work is about. Why do you get a bonus because you show up for work? Hang on a minute. What's going on here? Hang on a minute. Who paid me a bloody bonus when I've been working for the last 4 years? Nobody. Right? Why should Sensei get a bloody bonus because he went to work today? That's the idea. Sensei fanboy here. Yeah, Paul McCann. He's a fanboy. He loves it. Sensei fanboy. There you go. Thanks, James. No, not thanks, James. He gets a bonus by doing more hours. That's how he earns more money. Good old-fashioned go to work. You want to earn money? Go to work. Oh, hello, boss. Hello. Hello, boss. Hang on. Hello, boss. No, which one am I going to be? Am I going to be the boss or am I going to be Sensei? I'm going to be the boss. Right. Hello. What do you want? I'm confused which one I am now. I don't know if I'm the boss or Sensei. I want a pay rise. You can't have a pay rise. Why can't I have a pay rise? Well, just do more work. So if I do more work, I earn more money. Yes, but I want a bonus. You can't have one. Right? Just do more work. Exactly. Just turn up, do some more work, you earn some more money. It's simple. We just joking, by the way. Yeah, we're just joking, by the way. Oops, saying the quiet part out loud again. Looking for your lost shaker or salt. Go Vaz, banana head. Sensei gets my vote for a bonus. No, he's not. Yes, he is. No, he's not. He's not having a bonus. Yes, he is. No, he's not. All he's got to do is go live. Eggs. We're not doing eggs. I'm sick of eggs. The old eggs thing is doing my head in. I sent myself. Jim C. Thank you. Free chicken is what I say. I'm ignoring you. You're starting to annoy me now. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome, mate. Pilsner. I've got... Oh, you ready? We got time. Watch this. Watch this. You ready? You're going to like this. This is especially now for RB. You ready, RB? Here it comes, the moment you've waited for. To be live on the show to the world. 69 countries, 14 languages. RB is our latest creation. What am I talking about? I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here we go. We're going to play a memory video. Here it comes. All right, stand by. Here it is. It is my latest creation. Hang on, it's not working yet. Here it goes. All right, here it goes. Here we go. Let me clear the decks. There you go. So RB, you're coming up in a minute. Buy your free chicken shirt. You can buy a free shirt. Could someone tell me earlier on today, I did it here. Leah told me, she says, Sensei's at it again. I said, what's going on? She said, have you seen what Sensei's doing on his show today? And I said, no, what's going on? She said, he's giving away mugs again. Is he? Is he? She said, yes, he is. Your money. It's your business. It's your shop. I said, did he clear it with me? I said, I didn't hear him say it. He just announced it live on the show. Well, I don't like it. I know you don't like it. Well, call him out. I said, I can't call him out. He's on the bloody show doing it. So who won it? Was it you, James? Did you win a free mug or something? I'm happy you won it, but I'm not happy you got it for free. You should have paid for it. You earn good money. You could have paid it. You could have bought one. You shouldn't accept it. Actually, you shouldn't accept it. You should turn it and insist you pay. I did. Thank you. Great. You saw the earnings. Good. You noticed my avatar, RH credit card logo. You noticed my avatar, RH Terry Rose. I don't know what you mean, mate. Thanks, Martyn. You're the best. Well, not according to Sensei, I'm not. Apparently, numbers don't lie. No, you will lose. No, no, no. Stay in VU. We do have the option for smaller mugs. That's the one we did. Oh, good. We gave away the rubbish mugs. Great. We gave away the ones that nobody wants. Great. Now I'm happy. Look at hymns. Poor Zilla. We covered the earnings for you. If you want to be a member, I'll cover it for you. We like giving the option of all sizes. We do like the option, Martyn. When my 2 mugs arrive, can I send a picture of my cat with one mug to have on the channel and me with the other? My cat is a Lucas 8. Yes. James 007 for you. Absolutely. Here comes RB. Here he comes. Honk for freedom. Hi, please. Any comment on Tesla Solar? Love Tesla Solar. Be in Tesla for the solar more than the cars. Here he is, RB, look. RB's got a hoodie and he's got a Pilsner mug. Look at that, in that booty. In that booty. I tell you what, look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Are you loving it or what? Look at that. Look at that. Did you notice? Did you actually notice? Have you look, it's got the proper XRP logo. It's got my logo on one side, Sensei on the other. Look at that glass. I mean, look at that glass. Look at that glass. That's what I'm talking about. Is that good or what? Can I zoom in? No, it won't let me zoom in. Look at that. Isn't that good? In fact, I can make it bigger. Oh, that's no good. That doesn't work. Look at that. That is one hell of a kitted out guy, isn't it? He's got the hoodie. He's got the glass. Sensei apparently never sells any merchandise. He's always telling me, I've never seen any of the money out of my shop yet. I've never seen it. I've never seen any of the money. Not a single penny I've had out of my shop yet. So I call Sensei up and I goes, have we sold any mugs today? And he goes, no. I go, well, I'm seeing people wearing them on the show. It's for gifts, giveaways, all sorts. So anyway, I might be coming around your houses soon, picking up all those merchandise, reclaiming them. Anyway, on for freedom. Hips don't lie. Martyn won this battle. I know. This is the battle family. This is the best family ever, Sandra John. Everyone, please subscribe. Let's get to 80,000. Sensei sent us. Did he? So it wasn't you then. It wasn't you just saying Sensei sent us. You're trying to throw Sensei under a bus. Let's check the UK video. Nothing to do with UK videos. Nothing to do with the UK videos. This is an American audience. We're not bringing the American, the English. We're not bringing the English videos into it. Numbers doubled because Sensei sent us over. That was nice of Sensei. No, it wasn't nice of Sensei. It's his job, right? I pay him exorbitant amounts of money to make sure he does send people across. Don't thank Sensei, thank me. If I didn't pay him, he wouldn't do it. He'd go, I'm not doing it. I'm staying right here. We have to negotiate. Every day, it's like, am I going to send them to you? Yeah. How much this time? We have to negotiate. It's a bad arrangement. It's a bad arrangement I've got when we did all this. I should have said, send them over. But no, somehow Sensei convinced me that he would do it for a fee. And I thought, at the time, I thought it was a good idea. Because I thought, well, sometimes I don't need to do it. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And I agreed to it. And now it gets more and more expensive every time. Martyn, I could send you 300 this time. It's going to cost you 50 quid. There's no need for that, Sensei. You're pushing your luck now, mate. I am ready to sell all my SCHD and put it in VU. How do you do? Jerry Farry. Okay, I promise I will not say it again. Good. Don't say it again. I want overtime payment. I'm going to strike. You can't strike. How can you strike? You can't strike. Because when you strike, see, Sensei, you got to understand what striking is. When you strike, right? When you strike, the factory shuts down. Nothing going on. And then the boss gets, oh my God, we're losing money. What are we going to do? If you strike, I just take your spot. That's what I normally do. It's what I used to do, mate. I just go all day, every day by myself. So don't think you got that over me, mate. Don't think you can say to me, I'm going to strike tomorrow, like it makes any difference whatsoever. I just go live all day, every day, like I normally do. All right? So think on. If you're going to try that little game, I'd think about it before you try it. Show up bonus. Show up bonus. That's like those bloody kids today. When I was a kid, you had to earn it. You had to earn the prize. You had to earn it. You had to earn a prize. But you know what happens these days? You get an award just for showing up. That's the young generation. They go to school, they get a prize for showing up. That's Sensei. He wants a bonus just for doing the job I already pay him for. I don't think so. And there's no bonus. And if you strike, I just go live in your place, mate. You have no power here. You have no power here. All in XRP, 19 ETFs, filed, buy and hold. 19 ETFs filed. Oh, is there? Sensei didn't tell me that. I'm listening to what Sensei said. Nice up today. Does Sensei get time and a half for overtime? Does he? Hell, he just earns more money. Google eyes. Sensei could smile more and show more. I agree with that. Yeah, he could show more excitement and enthusiasm. Who thinks Sensei's voice is boring? Who thinks Sensei's voice is boring? If you think Sensei's voice is boring, say yes in the chat. If you think Sensei's voice is a melodic tone, say you love it. Right? So if you love Sensei's voice, it's a melodic tone, say yes, love it. If you think Sensei's voice is boring, say yeah, it's boring. And at the end of the day, folks, numbers don't lie. I'll do it again. This is Sensei. This is Sensei for the last 2 hours. Then I come on. Boom. I mean, there it is. Different voice, see? Different voice. Different thing altogether. Ridiculous. RB. What's ridiculous? BlackRock will be filing an ETF for XRP. That'll be 20 ETFs for XRP. No brainer. I don't know about that. I'd like confirmation of that. I'm just going to make it up, are we? I thought someone would get a free chicken mug. We've given away one mug, Kimberly. We're not giving any more. Buy Binky Bonk. That's the way to go. Thank you, Martin. You're welcome. Whoop-de-whoop. Bitcoin Cash is a good buy. All-time high. Oi, oi. He's a regular Ralph Lauren, innit? What's that mean? RB, like the hoodie and glass. I know it's good. Hello, what's this?
Kent Paranormal and Herbex donated £2 through a super chat.
Listen to this.
Sensei sent us. However, Martin is keeping us.
There you go.
Smiley face emoji.
Listen to this. Do you know what? I'm going to play that again because you need to learn. Sensei, you need to learn, mate. You need a life lesson here. Here's a life lesson. You ready? Here comes your life lesson. Listen to this, Sensei. Let it go off the screen. Let it go off the screen. And then listen. Digest it. Listen to this, Sensei.
Kent Paranormal and Herbex donated £2 through a super chat.
Yeah.
Sensei sent us. However, Martin is keeping us.
That's it, see? Now, what we got here, we've got Sensei, right? We got people coming in going, yeah, this guy's boring, isn't he? Just charts all the time. I mean, it's an investment channel. Who wants charts on an investment channel? Switch off. Next minute. Coming into an investment channel. Oh, Sensei, this guy's boring. He's doing charts on stocks. Rubbish. Turn off. Next minute. Came in. Oh, this guy's doing technical charts on stocks. Rubbish. Don't like it. Skip on to when I came on. Investment channel. Oh, hello. This guy hasn't done any charts yet. He's just talking nonsense. We like this. This is great. 94. Boom. Now, that's when they first came in. But they're staying. And they're adding. So they're staying and they're adding. So over here, they're like leaving. Here, they're adding. Look, it's getting more. Like this guy, he doesn't do anything to do with stocks and it's his show. Bloody hell. Ah, dear, oh dear. Spontaneous, be mean to Sensei. Yeah, I will. Sensei sticks to Martin's philosophy. Never sell, never sells Vu. Sensei never sells mugs. I like that. It's funny, but I don't like what he's doing though. I don't like he's giving my mugs away, but I do like the fact he never sells, but I'd like him to sell the mugs though so I can buy more Vu. Vaz, yeah, they thought that was funny. Hey, the best of the nest. Martin puts the honky. There it is. We need a Vaz and ML mug in the store. A Vaz and Martyn Lucas mug. We've got a Martyn Lucas mug in the store. See, this is what I'm sick of. I'm sick of it. In fact, I'm really sick of it. You wouldn't know that I had a mug. Sensei never promotes my mug. Never. Look at this. MartynLucasShop.com. Let me show you. Right. Into the thing. Right. Martyn Lucas merch. He'll never show you this. You know why? I get more money on these. He doesn't want to sell these. Martyn Lucas merch. Click on it. What do you see? You got a mug, a big mug, none of your silly little mugs that he gives away. Big mug, latte mug, iPhone case, Samsung Galaxy case, hoodie, embroidered, t-shirt, embroidered, iPhone case. Look at that. Quality merchandise. Look at that. Oh, I see what he's doing. I see what Sensei's done. He hasn't created a bundle deal for my mugs. He never promotes my mugs. I'm going to promote my mugs from now on. From now on, I'm going to tell everybody. In fact, Sensei, oi, are you listening, Sensei? Do a bundle. Do a bundle because I want my members to get a good deal. They want to buy my mug, the official, proper, the main thing. Do a bundle. I want people to be able to get a mug, a t-shirt, and a hoodie, and a cap. Can we have a cap as well? Can we have a cap, Sensei? And do it in a bundle. It's called the Martyn Lucas Wonder Bundle. That's what I'm going to call it. That's what I'm going to call it. Sensei, I want the Martyn Lucas Wonder Bundle. And it's a mug, a hat, a hoodie, and a t-shirt. Really good discount, but not free. Still makes some money on it, right? It's called the Martyn Lucas Wonder Bundle. Sensei, is he paying attention? I want Martyn Lucas Wonder Bundle. Don't be mean to Sensei. Just got here. Sensei sent me. No, he didn't. You're just making this up now. What is his strike price? Sensei, that's good. Sensei Crypto, are we starting a union? You can't start a union. You need more than two. And that's why I'm not hiring any more than two broadcasters. There's no way I'm going to get three because I know I'd be overruled. It'd be a takeover. You saw what happened to BitBoy. BitBoy, he got thrown out of his own show. That ain't happening to me. Disagree, but the markets go down. Yes, Vaz, we're not starting a union. Strike price, strike. LOL. He monotone. There you go. He monotone. Ooh. Sensei, yes, he is. Yes, he's boring. Sensei's voice is soothing. I would love Sensei to read me bedtime stories. That'd be weird. We're coming up to the closing bell. Let me get ready. Come on, let's refresh Wall Street. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of it. I don't know why I bother half the time. I get people stealing my mugs. Right. There we go. Wall Street, queued up. We're selling off right into the close. I'm not worried about that. Here we go.
Well, thank you. And watching you expand and grow, it's just been...
Rallo1 donated $2 through a super chat. Bought a mug from eBay and seller said Sensei. Lol.
Bloody hell. Are you buying... There's people selling the mugs on eBay already? I love it. It's harmonious. It's not harmonious. It's bloody boring. Yes, it's boring. See? No better than years. No better than years. Sensei is a Lulu. Is a Lou again. Sensei is in the Lou again. Selling. Yup, boring. Nice voice, but the energy of a snail. Sensei's boring. Martin, I think your idea for Sensei to have a cat in your studio window was a good idea. It is a good idea. It is. There you are. Sensei, everyone thinks you're boring, mate. Ken Paranormal, Sensei sent us, however, Martin is there. We need an ETF, all 20 in one place. I'm loving it. He says he claim measured and he has a calm, measured analyst voice. Sensei is doing a great job. Yes, Sensei is professional. We have the best of both worlds. Whoa. What's that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? We have, hang on, what was that? We have, where is it? We have the best of both worlds. Sensei is professional. Where are you going with that then? Where are you going with that? We have the best of both worlds and then Sensei is very professional. I'll tell you what, Tish, we're going to fall out, me and you. We're going to fall out, me and you. I'm telling you that. Don't be mean to Sensei. Leave Sensei's soothing, sensible voice alone. I can do soothing. Welcome to the show. If you'd like to just relax, sit down, take it easy. That's it. Now just relax. We're going to talk stocks today, so grab a chair, pour a nice cup of tea, and get ready for the day on the market. I can do sensible. I can do soothing. Not a member yet. Still stacking chips. Hi, how you doing? Firing. Mate, life is good. New mug idea. I'm sick of it. Yes, I am sick of it. Hey, Sensei, do a mug. I'm sick of it. You didn't want a bundle as you didn't want to lose any money. Did I say that? Am I selling? Yeah, but I'm not selling individual mugs because you don't tell no one. If you're not telling anyone, I'd rather do a bundle.
It's definitely more stable.
You're doing it on purpose.
Microsoft, Broadcom, they're up more than 10%. And I like the fact that
he's doing it on purpose. He says you don't want a bundle because you lose money. However, he's not advertising my other stuff, so I'm selling nothing. Yes, it's a wonder bundle, a wonder bundle. Big dip. I'm not bothered about that. Danny, what's going on? You sound like Patty and Shelmer from Simpsons. Martin's soothing voice is creepy. Is it? Hello? Is it? That's more of a creepy voice. That's not soothing. Hannibal Lecter, technical and fundamental, both worlds. Vaz, yes, breaking. The sex has filed the sentiment agreement letter. The sex? Do you mean the SEC? Bloody hell. Here we go.
And believe me, we have a lot more to say.
Yes, we will see a lot more of you. You're not going anywhere. We just won't see as
the bell is gone.
This floor where you have certainly become ubiquitous and a fixture here, Bob. We wish you the best. Thank you. That does it for us. We'll send it into overtime with Morgan and John.
All right, I rung the bell. Don't overdo it.
That's the end of regulation. Banco Bradesco ringing the closing bell at the New York Stock Exchange. Courts see...
All right, you can be shush. Let's go through all our positions and let's get ready for the Rocket Lab earnings. Shall we do it? 3, 2, 1. Sensei, look at your levels. Look at your audio levels. This should be set to 20. Well, at least it should be in my studio. So don't do it too loud. This is what Sensei does. Ready? This is the difference between me and Sensei. Here's the funky music. Right? This is me. This is on my show. So you get the funky music, but you can still hear me. Right? This is my show. Professional. This is Sensei. This is what Sensei does.
You've hit your fury and kept it.
This is what's going on here. This is what Sensei does. This is how Sensei does it. That's how you do it, Sensei. Right down there at 20. Right, let's get ready. Rocket Lab.
Optimism abounds here. Is this what is driving the market?
Coinbase. No, be shush. We want Rocket Labs. Spread your wings and let's fight the Phoenix. Shab shabby dooby dooby shab shabby dooby doop doop be dooby dooby shab shabby dooby doop doop be dooby. Doop dooby dooby doop doop be dooby dooby shoop jibby dooby. You're the Phoenix. Shoot 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 be dooby 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 shoop shooby dooby doop doop be dooby 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 doop. RKLB. For an answer. They're looking for an answer. Oi oi. They're looking for an answer. Rocket Lab coming up. Oi! Who likes it loud? You can have it loud, but you still got to hear your voice. Right, sounds loud. It doesn't sound loud. I've turned it down. Boring. Okay, here we go.
spread your wings to rise
You
from
want party
the
time?
ashes.
I'll give you party time. There you go. That's what party time looks like.
They let you down, but you get up. They let you drown, but you don't stop. You show 'em you're a phoenix.
That's party time, Sensei. You want party time? I'll give you party time. You want party time? I'll give you party time. He doesn't know what he's talking about in his party time. I'll give you bloody party time.
Fire burn, a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn, a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings.
There you go. I've turned it down now. Oi! Oh, I'm sick of it. All right, okay. Play the funky music, XRP moving. Boring. You do it. Loud sounds. Why do you trash Sensei so hard? Whoever this is it Amanda? Amada doesn't get it. Amada thinks I'm being horrible. We're only joking, Amada. We're only joking. What's happening right now? What did I miss? You missed everything. Sensei, learn from the pro. Who likes it loud? I missed it. Phoenix, Dubby. I like it loud on Sensei's show, but you can't bloody hear him. He's all distorted. It wakes people up. Just turn it up, General. Just turn it up. Too quiet. Am I right? Smoke the doobie-doo. I like the way Sensei does it. Soundtown. We could have done Soundtown, but no one requested it. Otherwise, it's a background pump. It's a background pump. Sensei and Martyn should do a dance-off. I'm not commenting again. I wouldn't say another word, Tish. James, energy, untemp. Yeah. We got a little clown. Is it a robot? I don't know what that is. I know you are, but what am I? I know you are, but what am I? I don't bloody know. Laugh my ass off. Best show ever. You hear that, Sensei? Best show ever. I would pay to see a dance off. And it's not even pub night yet. Soundtown earnings. We can't do... When does Soundhound start? Do you want double earnings? Oh my God, I'm not doing double earnings tonight. I can't be doing double earnings. We can do double earnings if enough people want it. But you're not members though, are you? It's not members. Yeah, it's not members requesting it. The Soundtown earnings. I know everybody wants me to cover it because we ranked #1 in the world for it. Yeah, I can do it. I tell you what, I'm only doing Soundtown. Yeah, I'm only doing Soundtown if I get loads of super chats. Soundtown earnings on the extra channel. Yeah, I can't be bothered. There you go. So you're gonna have to get the Soundtown army in. Sensei, do you want to go live? Do you want to go live on the extra channel and do Soundtown earnings? We ranked #1 in the world for it. It's quite funny, really, when you think about it. When we started this show 4 years ago, right? We were like, we couldn't get anyone to watch, and it's now now we rank #1 for like most of the stocks we cover, and we're not even bothered doing it. I mean, what's all that about? It's not right, is it? Soundtown earnings. We rank #1 in the world, and we're not even doing it. That's not good, is it? That's a bit rubbish. We should be doing it, really. We should be doing it, but no one requested it. If no one requests it, I don't do it. Play YMCA to celebrate Trump's deal. That'd be good. Vaz, do the banana dance. Martin's got the rave hand. Exactly. I've got the rave hands. Hear that? Not the Ray-Bans, the rave hands. Smack the likes so we get the candles to go greener. Soundtown earnings. Everybody, what is Soundtown earnings tonight? Yes, no one requested it. Yeah, no one requested it. You misunderstood my comment, Tish. Oh no, what have I done? Tish, what's going on? You know, everything I say is rubbish, right? It's just a joke. Can Sensei dance? Yes, he can. He's great at dancing. Rocket Lab. Where do I find our clips? Where do I find our clips? The ones you posted under the video. Under the video. Let me show you. Top community clips. Top community clips. They're not showing up yet because they haven't got many views. They've got to get views. And it's wherever you share them as well. That's the point. It's wherever you share them is where it is. I'm having dinner. I'm having dinner right now. Lazy. Yes, I have been looking forward to the quiz night all week. Yeah, I can't wait for the bloody quiz night. Martin, we're still doing Friday. Yes, we are. It's going to be... I don't know why I agreed to that. Mini analysis on hood action today. I haven't got time now, I'm afraid. I'm having dinner right now. Alex dances. Yes, we've seen it. Yes, I've seen it. Right, Rocket Labs. We've got to go over to Rocket Lab now. If someone had requested Soundhound, we could have done it, but no one did. It's your own bloody fault. If you don't request stuff, I don't do it, you know. Right, here's the Rocket Lab earnings. Rocket Lab earnings. Let me give you the link to it. I'm not looking forward to it, Vaz. I am not looking forward to the earnings at all. I'm not looking forward to the bloody, what do you call it, the quiz. I think it's going to be absolutely rubbish. Right. Buy, hold, sell, or undecided. No votes. I've just given you the link. Vote on it. 3, 2, 1. How many people have voted in the first 3 seconds? The answer is 36 votes. Boom. Look at that. Right, buy 47%, hold 8%, sell 33%, and 11% is undecided. So buy. You're still buying it. You're loving it. Quiz night. No, rubbish. Not interested in it. Not interested in the quiz night. I don't know why I agreed to it. I'm sick of it. Right, okay. Let's switch over to Rocket Lab. I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm tired. Is anybody else tired? I'm absolutely whacked out all this. It's nonsense. Here we go. Here's Rocket Lab. We're going there now. When does it start? Oh, bloody hell. It starts now in 4 minutes. Bloody hell, I've got to get going. Right, there's the link. Automatically take you there. This is Rocket Lab. We're going there live right now. Come and join me for more nonsense like this, where we can have a go at Sensei again. Call him lazy. Go and sit down. Things will get great when you're downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. No finer place for sure. Downtown. Everything's waiting for you. Zach's 8. There it is. Everything's waiting for you. Downtown. I know the song. Petula Clark. 10 points. Bless the quiz master, Alex. He's going to bloody need it, isn't he? He's going to need the Pope. On a serious note, Alex must have been preparing all week, knowing him. Yeah, I bet he has. I bet he's gone out and bought an outfit, hat, lights, smoke machine. I'll just cancel it. The quiz night, I cancelled it. There's no quiz night, all right? I'm going to cancel it just to annoy him, all right? I'm going to cancel it just to annoy him now. That'll get on his nerves. If I cancel it, that will really annoy him. Right, okay, Rocket Lab. We're going to go here. You ready? The link's in the chat. Everyone come and join me. More nonsense like this. We're about to do Rocket Lab. This will probably push Virgin Galactic up. Yep, there it goes. Look at that. Virgin Galactic. Thursday nights, always the magic night. I always tell you about this, don't I? A little inside tip there. Oh, inside tip. Thursday nights, all right? Don't mess with the Chicago Pope. Yeah, don't mess with the Chicago Pope. Oi! Hello, Zach's 8. Anita Moore's here. How are you, Anita? Me and Anita, we chat on Instagram. By the way, if you want to chat with me, there's Instagram, there's X, all right? Anyway, don't mess with Chicago. Boo. Put the clip on general chit-chat on Discord. Exactly. Share it on X. Exactly. If you don't share it, how can anyone see it? That's the bloody point of doing it, isn't it? Right, okay, here we go. Rocket Labs. Time for Rocket Lab. Let me make sure it's all working. Oh, I'm sick of it. I am really tired. Okay, here we go. Let's send everyone over there. Rocket Lab. All right, that's it. Rocket Lab starts right now. I've got to get started. Are you ready? Okay, come and join me in 5. We're talking rockets now. We're talking rockets. And I'll tell you what, if you come in and join me in the next few minutes, I'll do stuff like this. Whoosh! We're going to the moon. Join me live now.